guys, I'm going to do a little bit of Spanish for you today, but since I've only just started, it's really quite bad. Right, so here goes nothing with a bit of Spanish music. To top it off, I will do a little bit of bad, slow, something or other. Okay. See ya.